Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert a list to an array. We already have covered the difference between the array and the collection framework. So let's revise what is the difference between an array and a collection framework. Array is of a fixed size. However, collection framework is growable in nature. If the size is 10 and only 5 elements are stored, then it is a wastage of memory for the array. But in the collection framework, it adjusts size according to the elements inserted into the collection, whether it is a list, set, or map. Arrays can hold only homogeneous data elements, means a similar data structure or the similar data type can be stored inside the array, while in the collections, we can store the heterogeneous data elements. Memory management is poor in array because we need to provide the exact size of the array. However, the memory management is more effective in collection framework. So this was the basic difference between an array and a collection framework. And we have already learned about the list collections or the list interface. And the different classes that extend the list interface are ArrayList and LinkedList. Now we wanted to convert a list to array. Now in this code, I have one list called city name. So list is the interface and the class which implements the list is the array list here. And we have this variable name called city name. And with the help of add method, we have added the element inside the list. So this is our list with the elements Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Now we can convert this list city name to an array with the help of a method called toArray. How to make use of this toArray method? Let's see that. So what we need to do, we need to convert this list to array, right? So we will declare one array here. So as this list is of string data type, it is storing the string elements. Now we will declare an array of string type. So string square brackets to declare an array, and let's provide the name of array. Let's say name of array is ARR. Okay, array. And now we will make use of toArray method. So to use the toArray method, you need to provide the name of the list. So name of the list is city name. Okay. So I will say a city name and then provide the dot operator and then toArray. So here you can see there is a method called toArray. So what this method does, it returns an array containing all of the elements in this list. So whatever values are present inside this list, it will convert it into a array. So I will provide here a method toArray. So here I am getting one error. So what does the error says? So it says cannot convert from object to string. So what this particular statement is returning me an array and we are trying to store it to a string type, right? So what we need to do, we need to provide here object. So how we can do this? We need to say new, then the data type which is of string type, and then we need to provide here 0. So in this way, now the error is resolved, right? So this is the main statement here to convert your list to an array. Now whatever values are present inside this list, city name, data converted to array. Now let's try to print this array, whether the values are present inside the array or not. So with the help of for each loop, so for string, the val is the name of the variable, and with the array, we can print the values here. And inside this for loop, what we will do, we will print sys out. We will print here val. Now let's run this code. So see, we are able to get the values here Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Now here we have printed the array values, right? Because we are passing the values of ARR to this particular variable val. So ARR is nothing but our array of string data type. So in this way, the list we had city name, we have converted that list to an array. Means all the values which are present inside the list are now present inside this particular array. And you can also print the value of a particular array position. Now let's say if I want to print only the first value present inside this array, so I can print here ARR of 0, as arrays values are stored in index position, right? So the first element will be stored at 0th position. The first element will be Delhi. If I run this code, see I'm getting a Delhi. If I want to print the last value, then I need to provide here the index position of it. So what will be the index position of last value? As there are 4 values, the last value will be present at third index position. So if I run this code, so I'm getting here Delhi, which is the last value here, Delhi. If I say here 2, then I will get Pune. So see, I'm able to get the value as Pune. So in this way, you can convert your list to an array with the help of toArray method. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.